Hey, this is Freddie here, and I'm about to do my 8th laser session. But before I do that, I want to give you, talk about 3 things. I'm going to show you my arm. I'm going to talk about what I've been using in between sessions, which is TC acid. And I also used it, if you zoom in, I also used it for some brown spots on my face and see if it works. So anyway, first let me just show you my arm, all angles, and little by little it's getting a little lighter after each session. So I've already done 7, so hopefully less than 5 sessions it'll be completely gone. We'll see. And that's about it. Like I said, I'll talk more about what I've been doing. This is 100%, but I actually diluted to 50%, and I'll talk about it more after I film the session. All right, it's Fred here, and I just, well, I didn't say, I finished my 8th session about 3 weeks ago. I was supposed to film this last week, but I just waited till my arm healed a little bit more. Sorry for taking so long. I actually had to wait 9 weeks between sessions because I used a little too much. I decided to double up the dose of TC acid. As you can see up here, I burned the top part of my arm. I had to wait for that to heal. But you know what? Even though it burned it, it removed all the ink. And it's healing pretty nicely. I'm sure it's gonna, like, I have some hyperpigmentation, but from what I've seen and what I've read, it will go away over time. All right, so let's talk about my tattoo now. Okay, compare the contrast here, right? And then look at, and you can see a lot of the pieces of a lot of parts of that tattoo are completely gone. I still have some ink around this cross. I got this cross, and then when I got the cover up here, I had my tattoo artist go over this, so there's twice as much black ink around the cross, and I also had him do the same thing with the green. So there's so much ink in there. Like, it's basically like a cover-up, and the cover-up's up here, but it's almost gone. And, well, that's about it. I mean, my 8th session, I might show you, I might look at some before and after pictures, and I might share that with you between these 2 videos. And one last thing, I'm gonna wait 8 or 9 weeks between the session because of the summer. You're supposed to stay out of the sun while you're getting your tattoo removed, but that's really hard for me to do. I want to enjoy the summer. I want to go to the beach. I want to spend time, you know, with my daughter in the pool, and, you know, just go out and have fun and not really worry about the tattoo. So I'll probably be back in September for the 9th session, just to let you know. Anyway, until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye.